Hey, hello and welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk to you about an accessory that I have in my car that I think is actually super essential for long road trips. It's often overlooked, nobody talks about it, and I don't think a lot of people have it in their car. I'm not talking about spare tire inflation kit. It's a spare set of car fuses. And yeah, you may think like, yeah, why do you need a spare set of car fuses? I mean, when for heaven's sake does a car fuse set ever trip or break? Well, it can trip, I should say. For example, if you overload the 12-volt socket with too many accessories, or if you just have bad luck that you have some sort of surge or short circuit in your car, a fuse can trip. It can lead to all sorts of errors on your car dashboard. But I had something like this in the past many years ago. I agree it doesn't happen very often, but having something like this on board, on the user guide of your car, and with the diagram of where all the fuses are, really repair that fuse in the blink of an eye and reset also on the dashboard any error codes. You can continue with your trip without having to call any emergency roadside assistance or stuff like that. Let me show you what I mean in the front of the car. Yeah, so for example, here in my car, here you have the fuse box of the car. And I'll open it up now to show you where all the fuses are. So just removed the top, and it's the same in every other car, I would say. Actually, you already have here a complete diagram of where all the fuses are in this Bolt EV and what they mean. I think it's more easy to get also, let's say, the user guide. You can read about it online in fora and just ask the community where is, for example, the fuse that you're looking for a certain accessory. You see they're all numbered, and imagine one of these trips, then you have here this spare kit with all the most common fuses, so you can replace them. So let's see what's inside of this kit. Myself picked this up for only a few euros, and I think you should do the same. The price of a coffee or an ice cream at the gas station or at the fast charger. You have a whole set of fuses that can really get you out of trouble. It comes with a handy set of pliers to grab them and to put them, a signal tester, and then all the fuses you could possibly need to replace one of them. And also with a handy user guide and instructions. I'm under the opinion that this is very good to have if you go on a long road trip. Like I said, happened to me once with a tripped socket for the 12-volt charger where I overloaded it with accessories. And then it was just very easy to reset and repair. Let me know if you've had to replace a fuse on the go and you were carrying one of these. Or if not, whether you had to call road call assistance, go to a garage, how long it took you. I can highly recommend it. I'll put a link in the description where I got mine. And if you have any questions, write me in the comments. Hopefully all your fuses will stay whole and nothing trips. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Please subscribe and auf Wiedersehen.